All right, if you want to, you can relax on the driver's seat, and I'll work on the passenger side. That way, you can keep the AC going. All right. We're going to put a piece of this Dodge Charger. Kind of plug in. I think there's a plug on the passenger side. Oh, I left this open. That's not good. Green bar to plug in. Let me see if I can find it real easy. Yeah, it's gonna be under here. There's one here and there's one in your trunk. I'm trying to figure out which is the easiest one right now to get to. All right, let's plug in right here. The bar just kind of sits there. Anyway, plugged in. All right, I got my thing connected. Now we just have to connect to the machine. Okay, I'm using outside power to power up my J-Box. Oops, don't want to do that. 21 charger, right?
Yes.
Right. But at some point we'll have to turn the car off, but let's close the door so we should keep that AC going. I'm a little jealous of the AC, I'm not gonna lie. I need to figure out a way to get my van this cool.
Limo tan I got on all my windows.
Yeah?
That's
Is that what it is?
Me. Yeah.
Nice. And it's legal, huh?
Well,
Look at this tin.
I don't think this probably is.
Oh, the
This is that, I don't know. It's supposed to be limo. They said they can't do that on the front. I paid them extra
I paid him to do it?
to do it.
That's funny. That should make a difference. So, okay, we're done. Control unit, read password. And I'm not on the Wi-Fi. Okay. Gotta get off the. Connect to this one. Okay. It's got a pin code real fast. All right, turn the car off if you don't mind. Put your flashers on.
The what?
The flashers. All right, run the car for If you have limp key, turn the ignition, turn on the ignition and then off. Ensure the engine is off. All right, turn it off.
The buttons too.
Yeah, leave that on. Reading password not supported by the system. That's not actually true. I hope not. Why is it saying that? Go ahead and run the car for another second. Kind of hot. All right, let's read your VIN. I don't know why the other one didn't work. I did an update recently, and it's kind of been giving me issues because of that. I hope that's not the reason why, but who knows. So we'll switch to this machine. Dodge Charger. We got 19. Just do it with a pin bypass. All right, turn the car off. Perfect. Hazard zone, okay. Program T, okay. This will take less than 1 minute. Hold the box near the button. See, this one went right away into the system. Yeah, there we go. Heard it. Cool. Done. All right, you can run the car. Woo. Perfect. All right. Let me cut you the door key. All right, so we click on this. That's why you have the Smart Pro, guys, just for these kind of situations. We're cutting his door key. Got a key code, that's good. So just so people know, I was about what, half the price of the dealership, right?
Yeah.
And, and it's an OEM key. It's the same key that they use.
Yeah, you were for sure.
Thank you.